restroom. She was taking a bit long, so Jack went to check on her. Only she wasn't in the restroom. She was in the coat check room. She was with Jack's dentist. And they wouldn't check the coats. Jack and Allison were officially divorced. She claimed she didn't want to be married to a workaholic, and he claimed he didn't want to be married to a woman who cheats on him. She moved to London and sees Suzanne once a year during the holidays.
I know all this already.
Of course you do. You know everything that's happened. I just want to try condition.
Molly!
She'll forget all this.
Hello, Molly.